Okay, I am in the box truck, and this is the area above the cab. I had a few minutes free before I was supposed to do a delivery, and so I am trying to clean this because you can see it is absolutely filthy and disgusting. And the way that I have been trying to do it is to just spray it down good with some good quality degreaser, and it is a good quality degreaser. A friend of mine that works in the restaurant industry told me about this stuff. You get it at Sam's Club. It's just a Members Mark degreaser. Or is that Costco? I forget which one Members Mark is. Anyway, you get the point. But I'm using a lot of paper towels. That is, I think, the problem with this. I'm going to burn up 12 rolls of paper towels before I get done with this, because you can see these paper towels are not and I've just tried to stay kind of, in one area. I'm just going to clean this one area. Because if I try to clean the whole thing, I'm not going to make any progress at all. But you can see, though, there's actually a fairly nice surface there that I'll be able to put moving blankets or rabbit straps or whatever on there. But I'm really thinking, is there a better way to do this? Am I missing something? Do I need to find something besides a roll of paper towels to do this? And I don't know what the answer is, honestly. So first of all, don't clean something like this in a shirt that you're not willing to have ruined. And I've already broken that rule. And second of all, if you have any suggestions, because I don't, this is working, but you can see the difference between the area that I cleaned, or not really cleaned, just started cleaning. I don't know. You tell me. What do you think I should use? What do you think I can do that will work better than this? Because the paper towels and the spray bottle is just not cutting it. So, I don't know. I'm still having a good time. I still enjoy my party rental business. And remember, it's always a good time to have a party.